Fulton County's district attorney, Fani Willis, blaming the pandemic and prior mismanagement for a massive backlog of cases, resulting in accused crooks now on the brink of being let out of custody. Our Sabrina Silva live where DA Willis broke down the Herculean task she says is facing her office of more than 11,000 cases that have not been indicted over the course of a year. Sabrina, what did she say?
Well, Karen, just for starters, DA Willis says just within the Fulton County jail, there are about 40 to 50 unindicted murder defendants, and out on bond, more than 200. But that's all about to change.
We were really and are an office that is in crisis.
For months, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis has been sounding the alarm on the case backlog she inherited back in January.
Due to the rising crime and because of what we inherited, we still have around 11,000 cases.
But today, surrounded by her team, she announced that there has been progress.
In 2019, over a 12-month period, 156 defendants were indicted for the crime of murder. Due to the team that stands behind me now, this year alone, in 7 months, because that's how long we've had to run grand jury, we have already indicted 193 murder defendants. We will exceed 300 this year.
And her team is set to expand as her office begins to hire more lawyers and investigators to get the job done. This was all made possible after the county commissions voted to give the office $700,000 this year and $5 million for next year.
That investment brings 55 employees to this office. That is 15 investigators, 15 lawyers. These lawyers and investigators are higher tier lawyers and investigators that will be assigned to investigate and prosecute some of the most serious cases.
Though this is a major win for the county and the community, Willis says it's all about getting justice for the victims and their families.
In 193 defendants, we're talking probably at about 165 lives lost within my community, and those families have to be represented.
Well, just for perspective here, her team just yesterday indicted 66 cases, and a third of those were homicides. So, of course, a lot of sleepless nights for these lawyers and these investigators. For now, reporting live from downtown Atlanta, I'm Sabrina Silva, CBS 46 News.